This episode examines the 2012 Emilia earthquakes in northern Italy, where a magnitude 6.1 shock on May 20 triggered severe aftershocks. Casualties reached 27 lives, thousands were injured, and tens of thousands displaced as homes collapsed and historic buildings suffered. The disaster exposed vulnerable infrastructure and spurred rapid rescue efforts, permanent repairs, and tighter regional building codes. Communities showed resilience through neighborly aid, volunteer networks, and government support, while engineers studied ground liquefaction and retrofitting. Today, the Emilia case guides global practice, emphasizing preparedness, strict construction standards, and clear communication with residents before and after quakes.